Hey guys, sorry about that. This is part 2 of reviewing the Peachy Babies slime. So I'm recording on my mom's phone and her iCloud storage was full, so we had to delete some stuff. One sec, can I close the door real quick? I'll do that. So y'all don't pick up on no back noise or something like that. Background noise, that's it. Well, anyways, this next time we're reviewing is peach macaroon. It's a pretty cute label. The other one we did was matcha cream cake. So this is peach macaroon. Again, it has some glitter in it. I don't know if you can see. I think you can see a little bit right there. But yeah, and it comes with a peach clay. Let me just open it. So this is like the clay it comes with. It's a macaroon, well, of course. So I'm going to take off these sprinkles right here because I did not put them on. Oh no, they made little dents in the macaroon. That's so sad. Oh gosh, looks a little bad. It's alright, when I put the sprinkles on again, it'll cover it up, I believe. So this is one side. You can see the little dents from the sprinkles, but you can see the line. That's like a detail right there. And on the other side, it's just the same thing. It's a really cute. It kind of looks like it could come apart. Can it come apart? I'm gonna be very. It can come apart. So this is This is like the cream inside of the macaroons, and this is the macaroon pieces. I'm going to put it back on. Let's see. Line them up. Like that. So this, I'm going to play with this first. You always want to play with, let's say you have a clay or so, or something, like another slime that you're going to put in it. You always want to play for first batch first, because it's like you have two slimes, you know? I better put these sprinkles up before it catches any. Alright, there we go. So this looks like a glossy slime. No, I can't do a good bubble pop. It had some glitter in it, but I'm mixing it up now, so. Glossy slime normally has some good ASMR. This is a slow stretch slime. Because look what happened if you stretch fast. It just, just like pretty much a lot of slimes. But it's pretty stretchy. Do y'all see that? It's not really that much of loud bubble pops, but it's still really nice. I really like this thick and glossy texture. And let me smell this. That smells just like peaches. It's like a peach soap bar, like a peach scented soap. It smells really good. It smells like fresh, and it's more on the sour side, which me personally I like sour more, so it's really good to me. But that's just my personal opinion. Y'all might like sweet more. This is a nice. Wait, I can't really tell if this is a glossy or is this a butter. Actually, I don't think this is a thick and glossy, actually. No, this is not. This is a butter slime. Thick and glossy would, feel more... How do I say this? This pretty much feels kind of really smooth. And if you played with butter slime and glossy slime before, you'd know the difference. They just feel so different, but they look the same. I should have known thick and glossy, because glossy would have been glossier. But this is a butter slime base. Just like this slime, the top half was white butter slime, and the bottom half was cloud dough. So this is a nice batch. It's good for pokes. It does pretty good pokes. You can see that. And it's pretty stretchy. Well, it's a butter slime, so really stretchy, actually. Well, how about we assemble it now? This could be a good slime just on its own. But let's add the peach macaroon. I'm trying to decide which side I should put it on, which side is the less damaged. I think this side. So I'm going to put it on like that. Okay. And now let's, wait, will it stick? Oh, it does stick. Okay, let me fix it. Let it kind of look like it's sunk into it. All right. And now, time for the best part. Sprinkles. I'm just gonna put them all, just dump them all off. Or on. Why did I say off? But anyways, just put them all on. I'm gonna put them in my hand. It's getting everywhere. My whole table is all like covered in sprinkles right now. Let's see. There's one sprinkle from the matcha cream cake one. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. You can barely see it. I'm just gonna put it on top of that one. Let's put this one here. Ooh, what if I put some sprinkles like on the cream of the macaroon? That might be a little hard. The clay is a little dried out. It's not that soft, but you know, it's still a little soft, you know? So I'm gonna take out all these sprinkles. That, and I think these little circle ones are supposed to mimic like peach slices, so that's really cute. So the sprinkles in this one are little orange little orange circles, and these little like a hula hoop or pineapple slice. And last but definitely not least, some peaches. They're really cute. And this whole concept is just adorable. I'm gonna put them all in my hand so that, like, you know, I can get them all. And let's just dump them all on. Okay, I'll pick up the rest of these later. Now, it's time to mix it. Ready? So look how pretty that is. It's beautiful. I did it on the wrong side. It's backwards. You know, it's okay. Y'all ready? Alright, this clay is definitely pretty stiff. But the thing is, it took like a week and a half for it to melt. So that's probably why. You can see it in there. Look at it. Well, let's mix it in with the butter slime. Don't butter slimes already have clay in them? I don't know. They can put it in the comments below. I can't remember if butter slimes have clay in it. So it is mixing pretty well. And, well, it looks really cool. It's like, so this is like a pink peach. And then it's just like an orangey colored clay. It's definitely going to take a little while to completely mix in. Just because the clay was a little stiff. But that's alright. Normally when I put in clays and like whenever I get clay kits, I always get like, they never like, all of it never fits in these containers. So I use these to store the rest of the slime that couldn't fit in the container. Y'all should really try that if you get a clay kit. Because instead of putting it in like a bag or something, it's like the container it came with, so it's like it's meant for it. Alright, I'm gonna make a swirl. Oh, that's not a great swirl. It's a big swirl. Look at that. It's pretty big. Ready? It's a really nice texture, but it's still not completely mixed in, so I can't really tell that much. It still is pretty stretchy, but it's gotten a little harder to stretch. I guess just because butter slimes are so soft, and I just added in a stiff clay. But the only reason why it's stiff, it took forever to come to my house. And so I really don't know where the Peachy Baby factory is, but I live in South Carolina, so it's probably pretty far. If it took like over a week to get here. Still not that great of ASMR, but it's still pretty sizzling when you stretch it. Listen. Well, wait, hey. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it sounds pretty good. Like, it has good sizzles when you, like, stretch it out like that. I'm going to try to make a bubble. It did rip. It is a little rippy, more rippy. But I think that's just because it's not fully mixed in yet. Look on my phone. Or my mom's phone, but... Ready? It has pretty quiet bubble pops. I think this is really more for like the texture than ASMR. Like this is enjoyable for texture, not really that much of ASMR, you know? I forgot to put on this charm. Well, it's a cute little peach. And I'm putting it in now. After all, this is a nice butter clay slime. Me personally, I do like this one a little better. Just because like it had more potential, you know? I don't really know how to describe it, but I just like it more. Ooh, I dropped some sprinkles. I'm sorry, I'll pick them up later. I'm gonna try to make some ASMR. Wow, this video is like 3 minutes longer already than the first one. This slime is definitely taking longer. Let's see. So, is it completely mixed in? Let me check real quick. This is a beautiful color. It's like a neon pinkish orange. It's really nice. It did turn a little rippy, but it still is really smooth, pretty stretchy, but it's definitely a slow stretch slime now. Even you have to stretch it even slower than before. And like I said, you should really always play with if you have a clay kit or another slime to add in, always play with your first base first, like with your base first, because it's like you have 2 slimes, and then play with your second slime that you're gonna add in, and then once you're done playing with them both, you add in your second slime and mix them up. I'm gonna try to make a swirl, but like put it in the container. You know how these fancy shops do it? So first I'm gonna pick up like a million of these sprinkles. So many sprinkles.